Yeah, Vineet. Aman, तू लास्ट है हमारे फर्स्ट राउंड में.
Okay.
Hello guys, is everybody here? Can the captains confirm this, please? Their teammates are here. At least for the first round, I need Pranay, Vineet,
Yeah.
Adarsh, and Aman.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, Pranay.
I'm here.
Yeah. Hi.
Pranay, Vineet. Pranay is here.
Yeah.
Hi.
Pranay is
Hello.
here.
Yeah.
Okay, and Adarsh is here. All right, guys. So let's begin. Can I have the rules, please? So this is the 10 potential answers will be placed. It's a no buzzer round. You have to remember the answers within the few seconds, and then there will be 3 questions. I will ask them one by one, and you have to answer them immediately. All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So QJ, can I have the first set, please? This is for Adarsh. Adarsh, are you ready?
Yes, yes.
All right. First set, please. Time's up. It's for Sachin Tendulkar. All right. First question. He made his debut in which year?
89.
All right. Second question. His highest test score
248.
is?
not out.
Sorry?
248. 248. 248.
And the next one. How many test centuries has he scored? Time up. Sorry?
51. 51.
All right. I'll take that. All right. Okay. The answers are? Right. All right. All are correct. So 30 points there.
और सचिन आ गया.
Next one is for
All easy
Vineet.
tha ye.
Naseeb.
Vineet.
Naseeb full.
All right. Vineet, are you ready?
Yeah.
Your answers are here. Your answers are for Rahul Dravid. So your first question is, he made his test debut at which ground?
Lords.
He coached the under-19 team to World Cup win in which year? Time's
2018.
up. Time's up. Third question. He played for which English county?
Yorkshire.
All right. Let's go.
Essex. Sorry.
Sorry, I've taken the first answer. Yorkshire. Okay, the answers are Lords. So that's 10 points, guys. Third person is Pranay. Pranay,
Yeah.
are you ready?
Ready. Yes.
Okay, your answers are here. Time's up. The questions are for Wasim Akram. Your first
Okay.
question is, he took all his test hat-tricks against which team?
Pass.
He is known to master the art of?
Reverse swing.
Third one, how many international hat-tricks has he taken? Quickly.
4.
All right, 4. Can I have the answers, please? Sri Lanka. All right, so you've got 2 answers correct. Sri Lanka reh gaya, bhai. So that's 20.
Lanka reh gaya.
Finally, bhai, Aman,
Yes, sir.
are you ready?
Yeah.
सब कुछ दिख रहा है, लैग वैग नहीं है?
नहीं भाई कोई लैग नहीं है.
अच्छा.
वैसे भी नेगेटिव्स नहीं है, की फर्क पैंदा है.
अच्छा, state your answers are on screen now.
तो पाकिस्तानी है.
Time's up. No, it's Kumar Sangakkara. Your first question is, he played his last PSL game for which franchise? So, time's up.
Multan Sultans.
Yeah, jaldi karo. Time's up. I'll not take this one. He has master's degree
Accounting.
On the third question, his record of highest test partnership is against which team?
Pakistan.
Western. Anyway, time's up. Can I have the answers, please?
But first वाला तो मैं दे ही रहा था यार.
यार काफी लेट हो गए थे, काफी लेट, and I had set times up, sorry. All right, can I have the QJ is doing the scoring, right? So can I have the scores, please? QJ. QJ. All right, guys. QJ. Just a second.
Extra pressure on Shabbo with Aman screwing up the first round.
I just have a question, Momo. Were you able to see Pranay on the video when he was answering?
Sorry, who's that?
Now, yes. Because I thought maybe some problem with my.
No, I was on. I was there.
Why
It was
can't I see
confirmed.
anyone? Shabbo 80 points, right? No competition today.
The entire Bhuri brothers are in one house. Beware.
यार I'm at a friend's house actually.
फिर अली भाई आपसे फिर भी नहीं हो पाएगा.
हाँ वो तो नहीं होता सर, मुझे पता है. एक्सेप्ट कर लिया.
Because आपके साथ you know a lot of cricket, but today Shabbo is 80 points.
Actually,
Easily.
today extra pressure on.
Sir, thank you for the extra pressure. Thank you.
अरे प्रेशर नहीं है भाई, मेरे तेरे पे भरोसा है. You are next season धानेरा by hook or by crook.
Bhai, Shabbo is going to ace it, boys.
Mehlam.
Oh, Mehlam तू है.
पहला मार्का देखने.
Alright, guys, I'm on the move.
मोमो भाई का अलग प्रेशर.
स्कोरिंग पे जरा डिले हो गया सर, 2 मिनट रुकेंगे प्लीज.
Actually, वो तो बता दो.
I can tell you score.
Score Adarsh 30, Pranay 20, Vinit 10, and Aman 0.
And
Aman भाई कितना?
who's
Abdul Qadir Bora has taken over responsibilities for official scorer. We approve this.
please we
Chandu
approve.
भाई
We really need it. अच्छा QJ.
आदर्श यार क्या खेला है लड़के यार. 55 worth it यार. Bang on 30 points.
नसीब
अली भाई
अच्छा
finally.
इनके बारे में तो कुछ भी
सचिन मिल गया तेरे को. Can you believe this? सचिन यार. मतलब this is मतलब इतने तो तूने अच्छे क्या काम किए दुनिया में यार. वो तो धानेरा से भी खेला है.
Mauka bhai,
हाँ बोलो.
Aman bhai couldn't get law right. That is shocking.
अरे भाई वो सबकी ले कर रहे हैं ना, तो नहीं आया उनके.
भाई आपके भाई को बोलो जरा पीछे से हट जाए प्लीज. I don't want to screw my round.
दोनों भाई मिलके Shabbo, they cannot beat you. You are 80 points today. Abul is watching. Abul, you should learn this from Shabbo, man. Come on. Abul is watching.
शब्बो 20 भी लेके आ जा, बड़ी बात है.
अरे come on, 80 points.
Thank you.
My entire money, I have bet money on this boy. You know.
मौका भाई नहीं होगा इतना नहीं चढ़ाओ.
शब्बो इधर वेब सीरीज नहीं है
ना, तो फ्लैग
इधर लोगोस है लेकिन
फ्लैग भी नहीं है.
मोमो के घर पे बैठ
तो तुझे रैपिड फायर में बोलना चाहिए था, बट चल इट्स ओके, कोई नहीं. यू गॉट वन राइट एट लीस्ट.
अली मैंने तो पूरी टीम बिठाई हुई है आंसर देने के लिए.
आगे बढ़ा लेना, सेकंड राउंड में स्कोर बता देना.
ऊपर पड़े हुए हैं उधर.
मोमो क्या हुआ? मेला मारा है क्या? मेला मारा है क्या? व्हाई इज द डिले?
सर आपका आवाज क्या? आई कांट हियर यू.
Is it good you told me because it's a buzzer round.
आप अपना वॉइस देख लो.
Okay, मैं check. Wait a second. मैं Chandu was asking कि why is there so much of delay? Why?
I'm waiting for the scores or the slides. Just there's some technical error.
अच्छा. Admin gets -10 for this.
Sorry.
Admin gets -10 for this.
मौका भाई धनेरा की शान है. Killing it, मौका भाई.
Deepu, what a player.
अरे धानेरा ही मौका भाई और मौका भाई धानेरा है.
Guys,
सबको
एक चीज तो है यार, admins taking out time on a weekend, वो भी Friday रात को. I mean, come on, guys, give it to them, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
I mean,
guys.
they're working
Give
tonight.
them what? क्या देना है भाई?
थोड़ा बहुत
Okay,
थोड़ा
guys.
बहुत
So Adarsh scored. Hello, Adarsh was on 30, Vineet is on 10, Pranay is on 20, and Aman with a golden duck. Let's continue to the second round, guys.
Chalo guys. QJ.
Momo, can you hear me clearly this time?
Yes. Now.
Momo, can you hear me?
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay.
All right. The participants are Umar, Chandu, Parmeet. Parmeet, are you on? Can I have your screen on, please?
Yeah, bro. Sure. Sorry.
And Shabir. Shabir is here. Okay.
Is it good now?
Can I have the rules, please? Yes, I can. So this is the score sheet round. There will be 2 blanks on each score sheet. I will identify it. You buzz. Once I identify the name, then you go ahead and answer. If there is any doubt, I concur with HS. All right.
Okay.
Chalo.
Okay.
The first sheet, PJ. So this is the first test match, South Africa's tour of Sri Lanka. You have to identify the stadium.
Shabbo.
Chandu.
Shabbo. Sangakkara.
Okay.
The player is Sangakkara and the venue is Colombo.
Colombo. All right. Can I have the answers, please? The answers are correct. So that's 20 points. Right. The second sheet. This is the first test India's tour of Sri Lanka in 97.
Chandu.
Chandu, go ahead, please. Quickly, please.
Jai Surya and Mahanama.
Yes. Yes.
Roshan Mahanama.
Can I have the answers? Yes, these are the correct answers. That's 20 points for you. Can I have the third sheet, please? This is the answers. What marathon? This is the second test.
Shabbo.
Shabbo.
Graeme Smith and Neil McKenzie.
Neil McKenzie. All right. Great. Can I have the answers, please? Are they right? Yes. Yes, that's 20 more points for Shabbo. He's on a roll again. Now for the last and final sheet. Fourth test.
Chandu.
HS.
Chandu. I heard Chandu first.
All right. Chandu?
Yaar.
400. Brian Lara's score is 400.
Okay.
And Ridley Jacobs is the last batsman.
All right. And that is correct. So that's another 20. So it's shared between both the top scoring teams. That's 40 each. All right. So that we come at the end of the round. HS, scores please.
I will give the cumulative scores at the end of the quiz. Right now, both Chandu and Shabbo are at 40.
All right. Good. So
let's have the cumulative scores at the end.
All right. So for the third round, I need Abbas, Saqib Bhai, Sunil, and AB. Saqib Bhai?
Yes.
Yeah. All right. Sunil is here. AB? AB and Abbas. Are you guys there?
Yeah, Momo, can you hear me?
Yes, I still don't hear AB though. AB?
आवाज आ रही है? हेलो
अब आ रही है. ओके
ओके.
MB कुछ बोलना मत, नहीं तो AB को -5.
नहीं बोलेगा, टेंशन नहीं लो.
ठीक है.
वो तो वैसे भी सबसे बड़ा दुश्मन उसका भाई है.
Can you tell me which round I am playing because I didn't see that?
Okay, no,
You're in the third round.
I'm going to identify the rules now. It's the jigsaw round. It's the pictures round. All right, so there will be different, the pictures will be broken into 15 pieces. You have to identify the answers within the 10 seconds given. Each answer 10 points and each wrong answer is -5. All right. There are 5 pictures. Okay. All right. And the randomizers are, it's according to the randomizers. So Abbas, you are first.
Okay.
All right. Your time starts now.
Abdul Razak, Muthaiya Mullidharan, Babar Azam.
Time's up.
Rohit Sharma.
Time's up. I will not take Rohit Sharma, and you're lucky for that. Your answers are Muralidharan, Babar Azam, and Abdul Razak. All three were correct. So that's 30 points. Time saved you, bro.
Thank you, Mama.
Next, Sakib bhai, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Your time starts now. Now.
Hardik Pandya, Ambati Raidu, Rangana Herath, Ahmed Shehzad, Umesh Yadav.
Wow. Wow. They're all correct. HS?
Right. ये बहुत easy था मोमो यार.
All correct. They're all correct. So
बहुत
that's,
easy दिया मोमो. Thank you.
you're welcome, sir. 50 points. You're a pro, sir. Next.
I was lucky. उस दिन भी मुझे चहल आया था, आज भी ये आ गया. Lucky हूँ मैं.
आज आपने पूरा नाम लिया था? अच्छा. Next one.
चलो all the best to guys. चलो.
चलो सुनील, are you ready?
हाँ भाई. Yes. मेरा है इसका है.
Sunil,
Okay.
your time starts now.
Jack Kahlis, Voss, and Pujara, Graham Smith.
Time's up. The four that you've identified are correct. And the one you didn't identify was Shoaib Malik. So you get 40 points. Yeah, achha, not bad.
Okay.
All right, next. AB, are you ready?
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Can you see the screen? All good?
Yes, sir. Yes.
All right, your time starts now.
Okay. Rashid Latif. MS Dhoni. Moin Khan.
Time's up. Again, the three that you've identified are correct. And the ones you didn't identify, one was Yuzvendra Chahal and Michael Vaughan.
Okay.
Bhai ka favorite. Chalo.
So we have Abbas on 30, Sakib bhai on 50, Sunil on 40, and AB on 30.
Okay.
All right. So the last round, the participants are Somil Shah, Deepu, the Smasher, Master Blaster Ankit Bakchandani.
Guys, team score भी बता दो यार.
HS, are we ready with it or at the end?
No, we are not ready with the team scores.
Okay.
Only for today. HS, is it possible for only for today का team score मिल सकता है अभी का?
Momo.
Phantom
है 60, Raptors 50, Smashers on 100, and Aryans on 80.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you, bro. Okay.
Thank you, Kadir bhai.
Momo, my voice is clear?
Yes. But I can't see
My
you.
voice?
Your voice is fine, Deepu. Are you
My
there?
Can you hear me, Momo?
Yes, now I can. And Somil bhai?
Okay.
Somil?
Yes, Momo.
Okay.
Yeah.
I can't see. Okay, I can see Ankit now. All right. So can I have the room? Just a second, guys. Just a second.
Monty. Lilliput.
Just admin's call. Okay. QJ rules, please. So this is the rapid fire round. Each question is worth 10 points and the wrong answer will be for -5. Once I recognize the buzzer, then only the person answers and nobody buzzes with the answer. If that happens, it's a -5 straight up. And anyone speaking
Thank you.
will lead to negative points. That is -10.
Okay.
Everybody clear?
Yeah.
Well, QJ, first question, please. Who is the first player to score a century in the Hong Kong T20 Blitz?
Deepu. Shoaib Malik.
QJ. No, it's an incorrect answer. The answer is Dwayne Smith. Can I have the second question, please? Who holds the record of taking the most number of wickets in ODIs as captain?
Ankit,
Go ahead.
Wasim Akram.
QJ, Wasim Akram is the correct answer. 158 and a valid answer at that. All right. Third question, please. Who is the first player to score centuries in both innings of a test match twice?
Deepu.
Ankit.
Deepu. Deepu.
Sunil Gavaskar.
Can you share? The answer is Brendan Taylor.
Brendan, yeah, shit.
That's another incorrect answer. That's -5 for you. Fourth question, please. Chris Reed from England, who was bowled for 0 at Lord's, ducking to a ball which he thought was a beamer, but was a well-disguised slower ball. Who was the bowler that bowled this delivery?
Deepu.
Deepu, go ahead.
Malinga.
Oh. QJ, the answer is Chris Keynes. That's another -5. Deepu. This question involves the small hint which was in the password. That's a hint for you guys. The fifth question.
Password was.
That's your point. Fifth question, please. Who is the only Indian to take a
Ankit.
Ankit.
Yuvraj Singh.
Share screen. QJ. And the answer is?
Harbhajan.
Harbhajan, Robin, RP Singh, Yuvraj Singh. The answer is? Robin Singh. That's incorrect. Should I waited for
there were options also. Wow.
Yeah.
Option थे.
Option
चल
थे.
ठीक है.
Option थे. ठीक है. Question 6 for you. Identify the
Ankit. Ankit.
Deepu.
Ankit.
Deepu.
Ankit.
Ankit, go ahead.
Huh?
Virat Kohli.
Yes, Virat Kohli is the right answer. Deepu बहुत late था. Question 7. Which venue has hosted the most India-Pak ODIs? Somil, go ahead.
Ankit.
Sharjah. Sharjah is the right answer. Do you know the second highest? Second most?
Yeah, it's Toronto.
Toronto to Canada, Toronto.
Toronto.
ये दोनों को ना एक अलग क्विज इनको बनाना पड़ेगा.
Toronto.
Okay, the 8th question, please. Who scored the fastest test century of the 20th century? 20th century.
Ankit.
Ankit.
Misbah-ul-Haq.
20th century. Not the 21st. 20th century, it is Vivian Richards.
Shit.
Sir Vivian.
Oh shit.
Misbah-ul-Haq की 21st century में. All right. 9th question. How many runs did Sachin Tendulkar score in his ODI?
Deepu.
Go ahead. Deepu.
0.
Correct answer, भाई. बहुत अच्छा start याद रखा है. 10 points for Aryans. Okay, the last and final question of this quiz. Who is India's highest wicket taker in ODIs?
Ankit.
Ankit, go ahead, Ankit.
Anil Kumble.
And that is the right answer.
Yes.
Ankit, कहाँ से पढ़ के आता है भाई?
भाई देखा बहुत है मैच.
जबरदस्त यार, जबरदस्त. HS कितने points मारे अंकित ने?
Okay, so I'll say the score for these rounds. For this round, Somu is at 10, Ankit is at 20, and Deepu is at -5.
And Ayub is there?
Ayub
Yeah,
is
I'm
0.
here.
Yeah, is he there? But okay.
What was the hint that you gave in password for Chris Cranes?
Not Kiss.
No, that's
Singh.
Robin Singh.
Next.
Robin Singh was the answer.
Singh was the password.
Robin Singh वाला आंसर था.
Yeah.
Singh.
वो
Singh
ऑप्शन
actually.
Without
वो ऑप्शन
options,
नहीं
he was
है.
really fast.
वो अंकित एक्साइटेड हो गया ऑप्शन देखने
हाँ,
दिए
वो
नहीं
बहुत
उसने.
फास्ट था.
वाह, बहुत आगे.
भाई इसने सिंह पासवर्ड रखा था तो मैंने सोचा युवराज है, हरभजन में से एक होगा.
नहीं.
हम लोग ऑप्शन तो देखने थे भाई.
तो भाई कोई बात नहीं, मैंने -5 ले लिया ना अपने ऊपर.
HS final scores or
Final scores will give it on the group.
all right, fine.
Okay, चलो. Thank you
But
guys.
Smashers have won this round convincingly. Hello guys.
Yeah.
Chalo, see you guys.